In this video, let's see how to create a feedback form and publish it as a WhatsApp chatbot. Choose your account to log in. Click on the Create button to start creating a new form. There are many templates to get started. In this example, we choose Feedback Form by clicking Get Started. The starting message is for your users to send in WhatsApp. Next, click the Save button. Give a name to your form. Add a logo to your form so your users know who you are. Click the Save button to continue. There are 3 types of questions you can create. The blue type is open-ended. You ask a question and your user types a response in WhatsApp. The red one is a multiple-choice question. You ask a question and your user will reply A, B, or C as the options. The last orange one is an informational message. There is no response required from your user. Click on Add Question button to create a new question. We will select Survey as an example and create a multiple-choice question. Type in the question. For every question, you can add an image, document, or video. Click on the Add Option button to add new options to the question. You can add maximum of 5 options. Type in the response your user will see when they answered your question. You have to save every question you have created. Now let us create an open-ended question. As your user can type any text to reply, it is good to write how you would want them to respond. This is the reply from you after your user has responded to your question. Remember to click Save for every question. You can move your questions up or down to change the order. Once you are done with all questions, click Continue. You can turn on WhatsApp notifications to get notified whenever anyone submits your form. You can customize the link to your form so your users will know is safe. Click Save to save the changes. Click on Publish button to proceed. Do note once published you can't make edits to the form. To share your form you have 3 choices. Select the WhatsApp icon to share the form link on WhatsApp or copy the link to paste in emails or social media pages. You can also choose to share it as a QR code. Or embed the link in your website. In this example, click the WhatsApp icon to share the form link in WhatsApp. You can customize the message to share more about your form. Click Share when done. Click to open your WhatsApp. Select the contacts or group chats you want to share the form with. Once your user receives your message, they can click on the form link. Your user will have to message JoyfulPerson's number and send the starting message to start the WhatsApp chatbot. The WhatsApp chatbot will ask the questions you have created in the form and your user can respond directly in WhatsApp. Once your user has submitted the form, you would get a WhatsApp notification. Press See Response to see the response from your form. You can also reply to the user that submitted your form by pressing Follow Up and clicking the link. Now you can quickly reply to your user that submitted your form without having to search and save their contact. You can also see all responses in a reporting dashboard. Go to your form and click on Analytics. You can see and analyze your responses in charts. For more analysis, you can download all data by pressing Export CSV. Good job, now you can turn any form into a chatbot.